Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel Studlins, which adds excellence to your learning. In our previous lecture, we've seen about the different types of looping statements like for-in, for loop, for each and while loop in JavaScript, and also executed the same in our code editor. As we have seen how to design the house, do you think this is all the appliances will work on their own? To make them work, we need to give them proper connectivity so that they can start functioning. In the same manner, the function provides various functionalities to our web page. So now, would you be thinking how to create a function? Let's see in our live coding window how to do the same. As we have seen, having only appliances will not make them work. In the same manner, JavaScript function gives functionality to the web page. Here is the syntax of the function on the screen that shows how they are being created. So let's make our first user-defined function in JavaScript and see how basically this works. Now let's practically apply whatever we have learned in this part in our live coding session. So let's move to the live coding session. In the previous sessions, we have gone to different statements like looping statements and conditional statements present in JavaScript. To this, let's see what a function is, how can they be used and how are they being defined and declared. Firstly, open your home.html file which we have created in the previous session and also your script file which is script.js file which we have created in the earlier session. Now, what is a function? It is a block of code that performs a specific task. Now we also have arguments that take the data and the function only returns one value. Remember that the function returns only one value. Over here you can see that this is function name and the arguments present over here which take the value upon calling. Now how do we call this function? This method is called function calling, where we define variables followed by the function name and then you give the particular values to that particular argument parameters passed into it in the parentheses. To pass the arguments either by reference, we can call it either by reference or by value, but always remember here we use it calling by value. On saving this, let's see to the output. Here you can see that the value is 8. How come it's 8? It's 5 plus 3 given over here where it is returning the value of a plus b, which is 5 plus 3, which is 8. Now what is an anonymous function? Anonymous is, they don't have any particular name, right? So an anonymous function doesn't have any name being given over there. So in that particular case, what we do is like we declare that particular function as a variable, and then you give it a particular value and then closing braces will be followed by semicolon. I didn't mention it over here, I've just explained it orally, but that is how it is being followed. Anonymous function doesn't have any function name and it is declared as defined and assigned as a variable. So what did we do in this session? We have learned what a function is, how we give a function name, what are the parameters present in it, and also what it returns. So that is all for this live coding session. Congratulations on completing this concept. We will get back to you with some more interesting concepts in the upcoming video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.